Welcome back. Simple present tense, third video ma. Take your book, open the book page number 48. Grammar points. We use do not, don't or does not, doesn't to make the negative forms in simple present tense. We use do not, don't when the subject or plural nouns or pronoun I, we, you, they. Okay, this one plural pronoun. Okay, we use does not, doesn't when the subjects, see there, when the subjects are singular nouns or pronouns he, she, it. Already you know the he, she, it is the singular noun. We use do and does when we want to ask yes or no questions in the simple present tense. Okay, இந்த do and does ஐ வச்சு எப்படி yes or no question make பண்ணுறதுன்னு பார்க்க போகிறோம். To with plural noun and with the pronoun I, we, you, they. Does with singular noun with the pronoun he, she, it. Write negative forms with do not, doesn't and the verb given. The first one is done for you. This bus goes to the airport. Okay, see there. Plural. So, it does not go to the railway station. Okay, you add the not. That is a negative form. So, not. My mother works all day. She does enough rest. Okay, that is the doesn't. Okay, doesn't. Why ma doesn't? Why ma doesn't? That is a singular form. Okay, so does not get. I know him, I know him, but I dash his name, not remember. Okay, that is the do not remember. Why means that is a plural. So do not remember. Let us go fast. We dash any time, not have. Okay, let us go fast. We is the singular or plural ma? We is the plural. So what do you write? Do not have. Okay, next, they can do it themselves. They dash our help. Okay, they is the plural noun. So do not need. Do not need. Sixth one, the taxi driver does any change, give him the exact fare, not have. Okay, not have. Sixth one. Okay, that is a taxi driver. That is a singular. So doesn't have. My hometown. Seventh one, my hometown is not very far. It does much time to get there. Okay, not take. Okay, that is the singular. So does not. Okay, does not take. This dress looks nice, but it does much, not cost. Okay, that is the looks. Okay, see there. This dress looks. So that is the singular. So does not cost. Martha is very simple. She does to wear any makeup, not like. Okay, she is the singular. So does not. Okay, my parents are very strict. They dash me to go out alone, not allow. Okay, see there. My parents are very strict. Okay, they, see there, they. Okay, that is the plural pronoun. So do not allow. Okay, go to next page. Complete the question with do or does. Does Raman like pizza? Okay, that is the Raman. Raman is the Raman is the singular. Yes, very good. So does. Second one, does you have a pet? Okay, that is the do. Do you have a pet? உங்கள் வீட்டில் பெட் இருக்கா தானே கேட்போம். ஸோ do you have a pet? Third one, does your teacher speak English in class? Okay, teacher only. Okay, not teachers, teacher. Okay, that is the singular. So does your teacher speak English in class? Fourth one, does your parents tell you what to do? Okay, see that parents, that is a plural. Okay, so parents, that is a plural. So do your parents tell you what to do? Fifth one, does it rain here? Does it rain here every day? Okay, that is the singular. So does it rain here every day? Sixth one, does your cousins visit you? See that cousins, that is the plural. Okay, that is the plural. Sixth one, plural. So do your cousins visit you? Seventh one, does the stars twinkle at night? See that stars. Okay, seventh one, that is a singular, that is a stars. Okay, so does not. Okay, there are, sorry ma, that is the plural. So do the star twinkle at night, stars, that is the plural. So do the stars twinkle at night ma. Eighth one, does all the students bring textbook to class? Okay, see that student, that is the plural. Okay, so do all the students bring textbook to class? Ninth one, does your school have all the facilities? Okay, school, no schools, so singular. So does your school have all the facilities? Okay, write neatly in your grammar book ma. Thank you.